the degree of the differential equation d square y by dx square plus 3 into dy by dx whole square is equal to x square into log of d square y by dx square is option A 1, option B 2, option C 3 and option D none of this. Degree and order of the differential equation is defined only if the differential equation is a polynomial expression. But here you have something called as log. As you have logarithmic term, you cannot say whether the degree is 1 or 2 or 3 because you have log of dy by dx. If you have only log x, okay, then you can say something about the differential equation. But you have log of dy by dx or log of d square y by dx square. Therefore, we cannot say anything about degree or order of the differential equation. Therefore, for this option D, none of this is correct. The degree of the differential equation d square y by dx square plus root of 1 plus dy by dx whole cube is equal to 0 is option A 1, option B 2, option C 3 and option D 6. D square y by dx square is equal to minus root of 1 plus dy by dx whole cube. So you have to remove root which is there in the right hand side. So we have to square both the sides. If we square, we will get it as d square y by dx square whole square. Therefore, order is 2, highest order derivative available is 2 and its power is also 2. Order is 2 and degree is 2, but the question is based on the degree. So the option B 2, which is degree of the differential equation is 2, is the correct option for this.
If x square plus y square is equal to 1, note y dash is equal to dy by dx, y double dash is equal to d square y by dx square, then option A, y double dash minus 2y dash square plus 1 is equal to 0, option B, y double dash plus y dash square plus 1 is equal to 0, option C, y double dash plus y dash square minus 1 is equal to 0, option D, y double dash plus 2y dash square plus 1 is equal to 0.
Now let us go to the shortcut. You have x square plus y square is equal to 1. In the first derivative we are getting x plus y dash is equal to 0. That clearly says coefficient of x and coefficient of y dash both are equal and they should be equal to 1. If you observe option A and option D, coefficient of x and coefficient of y dash are different. So therefore, that clearly says option A and option D are ruled out. And therefore, either option B or option C should be correct. So for that, we can go for the next logic, x plus y dash is equal to 0. If we differentiate, you will get 3 terms. All the 3 terms should be positive. Therefore, all 3 positive terms is available in only option B. Therefore, it is correct. Degree of the differential equation of all tangent lines to the parabola y square is equal to 4ax is option A 1, option B 2, option C 3 and option D 4. Equation of tangents to the parabola y square is equal to 4ax. Equation of tangent is given by y is equal to mx plus a by m. And you must know this, m is given by dy by dx. So y is equal to dy by dx into x plus a by dy by dx. So take LCM in the right hand side. Y is equal to dy by dx whole square into x plus a whole divided by dy by dx. So multiply to the left hand side, dy by dx which is in the right hand side is denominator, multiply to the left hand side, you will get y into dy by dx is equal to x into dy by dx whole square plus a. So we have dy by dx whole square, therefore degree should be 2. So degree 2, therefore option B is correct. The differential equation of family of curves for which length of normal is equal to a constant k is given by option A, y square into dy by dx is equal to k square minus y square. Option B, y into dy by dx whole square is equal to k square minus y square. Option C, y into dy by dx whole square is equal to k square plus y square. Option D, y into dy by dx whole square is equal to k square plus y square. Length of normal is always given by y into root of 1 plus dy by dx whole square. So here the question given is length of normal is given as constant k. So therefore k is equal to y into root of 1 plus dy by dx whole square. Square both the sides. K square is equal to y square into 1 plus dy by dx whole square. Therefore k square by y square is equal to 1 plus dy by dx whole square. K square by y square minus 1 is equal to dy by dx whole square. K square minus y square by y square is equal to dy by dx whole square. Therefore k square minus y square is equal to y square into dy by dx whole square. That is possible only in option B. Therefore y into dy by dx whole square is equal to k square minus y square. Option B is correct option for this.
CHIPS proudly announces admissions for crash course for JEE Mains and CET coaching. Classes commence after 2nd PUC and 12th board exams. Crash course for 2nd PUC regular. Classes commence after 1st PUC and 11th board exams. Accommodation assistance provided for outstation candidates. Centers at Kumta, Dandeli and Bangalore.